titled Navigating Life's Shadows. Meaning. Today, we're discussing the word gloom. Gloom refers to a state of darkness, sadness, or a lack of light. It's a term that represents the emotional and atmospheric conditions of life's challenges and difficult moments. Pronunciation. Pronouncing gloom is simple gloom, with a soft G and a long U sound. Use in a sentence. For example, during a rainy day, the gloom of the weather can sometimes reflect our own emotions, creating a somber atmosphere. Importance. Gloom is a part of life's ups and downs, reminding us of the importance of resilience and the value of bright moments that follow dark times. Conclusion. In summary, gloom is a word that signifies the shadows we face in life and the potential for brighter days ahead. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word, exploration. Until then, remember that gloom is just a passing phase in the grander scheme of life.